So this is the ones from Nurture Soap.
Nurture Soap?
Yeah. They always send like something free. Like a sample.
Bag?
A bag. And then...
Oh, is this the one that sends the seeds also?
Oh, Savage Garden. I already have this. I have like 2 bags.
Yeah, just now. Cool. Lori.
Okay. Oh, so I bought their titanium dioxide because it's a big mosquito. Because it's supposed to dissolve better than most. It's supposed to be very fine. Okay. This one I already bought once, and I think we already sampled it. But I bought a bigger bottle because I like it. It's bergamot and honey.
Yeah, I think this is the one I liked.
Yeah, I like that one. So I have bought a 4-ounce bottle before, and now I got
very
a
citrusy.
8-ounce. Okay, this one's called Sugar Strawberry.
Ooh. Good smell.
It's very sweet. A bit candy-like.
Yeah.
But maybe once it's because right now it's very strong.
Smells good. I like it.
Let's see. And then this is Cucumber Melon, which is supposed to be a well-behaving fragrance, and it's very popular. Not from this brand. It's a little bit similar to the other one.
It's good. I like it.
I think the other one was more cucumber than melon, and this is more melon than cucumber. And then, oh yeah, I bought glow in the dark mica.
Oh.
I don't think I need to get it out, but you can see there. So, just to play. And that's it from them. So earlier, I forgot to show you a couple micas I bought. They're the fire cider. And I'm hoping to get a little bit of a warm brown with it. That's the sample one. And Jello Vibrance, which is just a strong yellow. My favorite fragrance out of the 3 will be this one, which I already knew what it smelled like since I'm just buying a bigger bottle. And out of the 2 new ones, I'll probably perhaps say Sugar Strawberry, although it's very sweet, and that tends to overwhelm my nose. However, maybe in the soap it will be more subdued, since usually out of the bottle they're stronger anyway.
So thank you to Lori from Nurture Soap. Always getting free stuff. That's always good.
And this is from Wholesale Supplies. Oh, so this is a blend and binder that I like to blend fragrances, and it's supposed to mellow out some fragrances if they are too strong in a blend, so it evens them out with the rest. Oh, this Coco Cabana, so coconut. But I think all of these are fruity fragrances. Because I already have too many Christmassy ones. Smells like the suntan.
I can't tell what it smells like, but I mean, it smells good. Ooh. I like it though.
You did?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to smell it on a final product.
I can't.
I'm getting a little bit of a chemical smell.
Yes, I do get that.
Oh, banana.
Let's see.
I wonder if it's gonna be like the Nesquik banana or real banana. It smells like that banana candy or some banana artificial flavor.
Yeah, it smells
but
like
it's
the banana candy, some kind of candy.
This is Cotton Candy Twist.
Yeah, I can smell the cotton candy, but it doesn't quite. It doesn't remind me of cotton candy necessarily.
It's a little bit soft.
Yes.
It's on the
It's soft. It's on the mild
side.
side.
Yeah. Satsuma. So this is supposed to be like citrus, like orange. Yep.
Yes.
But it has more of a like a chemical.
Yeah, I find
Scent.
all of them have a little bit of.
Yeah. This is pineapple, which is a blend fragrance formulator. So I'm gonna use this in blends. I like this one. It smells like an actual pineapple, I think.
Yeah, it smells like a really ripe pineapple.
Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna mix this with the coconut one and maybe make a pina colada. That's it. Thank you.
That's it. You're welcome.